Good day, everyone. Learn how to stop apps tracking in iPhone and protect your privacy. It is very easy to do. So, we need to go to the settings first. And here in the settings, we need to look for privacy and security. So, you will find it at the bottom, privacy and security. We will click on that. And there, just below the location service, you will find tracking. We will click on that. And from here, you can turn off the tracking. And this is how you can protect your privacy and stop apps tracking you. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Take care.